I'm Chris from NetATV, and today we're going to show you how to install your bolt-on Ryker hood speaker onto the hood of your Ryker. But first we're going to lay our template down. So you can drill the holes. You're going to make sure it's lined up, and then you're going to secure it all the way. Use a little bit of tape to keep it in place. Then you're going to start drilling your holes. You can drill right through. Use 6 points to run right through the center. Drop a screw in just to kind of keep it in place. We're going to also drill a hole for the wiring. So I'm going to go back to the back corner. Now we're going to remove the template and the screws. Put that aside. Dust off all the shavings. You may have to expand this hole a little bit to get the wires in and out of it. And then you're going to see on your Ryker bolt-on speaker, that same pattern that's on the template is also here, with nuts embedded behind them to secure the speaker. So, this is your power cable, and that's what's going to be going through this hole right here. So I'm going to actually open that up a little bit more with the same drill bit. That should just be enough to pop these two connectors through. This hole may have to become bigger if you're planning on adding the side pods on. So that should be good enough for just this. Alrighty, you're going to take your speaker and take the connector wires and the opposite bullets. You're going to plug black into black and red into red. Flip it over, get it back into place, and then we can secure the speaker itself. You're going to thread the screws in. I'm going to start the middle one. As you can see, that we don't interfere with the seal here, so the wires are going to be on the outside of that seal. So these are the 5 holes. We had to expand them just a little bit, but after all the screws are completely hitting, you can reinstall your hood and run the power wire down to the battery with your switch right on the side. Next, we're going to show you how to install your side pods on your Ryker using our templates. So you're going to line up the correct template, hold it in place, make sure it's lined up on all edges, and you're going to drill a 1/4 inch After drilling, what we recommend is drilling a hole in the center to allow you to feed your wires. We're going to expand that hole with a bigger bit. That should be large enough to run the wires, just like that. You're going to run your wires through the hole that you drilled, which we might have to make a little bit bigger. Just like that. After feeding your tube pin, you're going to feed your LED cable. And then you're going to turn it over, line it up with your holes that you drilled. Line one of them up with the screw starter.